Alright, today I'm going to be talking about the Atomic Beam flashlight. I just picked it up for I think like 20 bucks at Rite Aid. And I've been carrying it with me every day for the last maybe 2-3 weeks. It's from Bulb Head Ideas. It's got a Cree LED in it. But it's got, I think, 5 different modes on it. Got high, up, and this is adjustable. So you can make it like that, or like that. Like very large, very small. But that's bright, medium, low. Alright, now next is going to be strobe, so if you don't like that, just look away. And then you get strobe. And then SOS, which I don't really see the need for because I kind of know Morse code already, so I could just do that myself by clicking it like that. But it's pretty cool. It's got a rubberized kind of thing on it. Sorry, it's a little dirty because I wear it and put it in my pocket every day, so. But right now I just got a little lanyard on it, made of paracord with a little carabiner clip on it. And I put it through and kind of hold it like that, and it's got a good beveled edge. Let me turn that off. Got nice beveling on it. I kind of like that. But seems pretty durable for the 20 bucks. I mean, it kind of got me interested in more expensive flashlights. Right now I'm waiting in the mail for an Olight S1 baton, which I think will be really cool. It's a lot smaller than this, so it'll be easier to carry. I mean, it is pretty heavy, but and then you turn it on and you can just lightly press it and it'll change through the modes. And then you can press it to turn it off. I don't think it has mode memory because whenever I leave it for a while it just turns on in high, which I'm alright with. But you can see it's got the little zoom things on it. I don't really know what that means, but X2000, X1000, X500, X250, X1. So, in, out, I'm assuming. But, pretty decent flashlight for the price. I mean, it's pretty bright. It can go at least probably, I'd say, 500 yards maybe. I mean, my yard's about 300 feet, so, and it easily does that. I can't really test it very well. I live in the city, so I can't really go out into the middle of the woods and shine it 500 yards, so, but I know for a fact that it'll at least be 100 yards. So, but I just thought I'd share this with you guys. Alright, thank you for watching. And if you like the video, subscribe, and I'll be doing more videos on gear, knives, whatever you guys want. Alright, thank you. Bye-bye.